Guapo. Good boy. Good dog. Good boy, Levi. Good boy. Okay, hang on. I'm going to split between them. So I'm going to step in between. Good dog. Come on, Levi. Good boy. Come on. You can see Guapo right over there. Good dogs. Good dogs. Now I'm going to grab Levi some. Good boy, Guapo. I saw that. I saw that. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some kibble over there for Guapo. And over here for Levi. Good. Now I got some separation and nobody's worried about it. Good dogs. Good dogs. Good dogs. What do you think, kids? I'll toss some down for you too, but you're not looking for kibble. You're looking for the good stuff. Tell your brother. Good boy. Okay, the call out. Guapo. There we go. And actually, my order of operations wasn't terribly good there. Show him the all done hand. He says he's going to growl at Levi again. Yeah. Guapo. There we go. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. And he turned back towards me, so I'm going to go ahead and give him a nice another chunk. Really like that. Good boy. And because somebody over here is being so good. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Good dog. Good boy, Levi.